nice and shiny. We have a new tool with us today because we will be degreasing the floors. I was very, very impressed with how small this is. It's so small. Ryobi wet vac, 1250 watt wet and dry vacuum, 20 litre capacity. It's perfect for like apartment cleaning. What people don't know is that in a lot of apartments, especially this building, they want the really gross tiles to be steam cleaned. It can cost around the $250 mark. I offered to do it the old-fashioned way by doing a degreasing for $100, and this cost $119. So it's got a 1.8 meter hose, 3-piece wand with the vacuum. I guess it's pretty long. Floor tool, which is what we need to suck up the wet stuff. Filter, cartridge, a foam filter, that would be for the wet stuff, I think, and dust bag. So I need to open it. It looks like R2-D2. Who would have thought he'd be this small? Wow, that looks like a portal.
Got 2 clips to get the top off, that and this. Basically, you just push them in. It's pretty simple. Very simple device. As long as you've got the foam filter on, this is for wet vacuuming. Very simple device. You've got the cylinder here, which the water flows into. That goes back on top. It does only go one way because this is not 100% center. You put it the wrong way, it bangs into there, to that. So if you put it the right way, it'll go in fine. And you'll know that because you won't be able to get the top on if you put it wrong. So that's it. Yep, that's it. So it's on. Pretty simple. Oh, and that's a drain plug here if you want sometimes to just like tip it out the side. You got the hose bit which can come off. And we'll just put it back on. This is for wet vacuuming. It's almost got a squeegee already. That bottom bit. You push it forward. Very simple device. Literally plug it in, turn it on, and off you go.